Hello, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to talk about some yarn I bought off Instagram for the very first time. So here we are. This is what I bought off Instagram. It is Colorfusion by Premier Yarns, and that is where I bought it from, off of Premier Yarns. I will leave their Instagram account in the description. To talk a little bit about the yarn. So like you can see, it's 325 yards or 298 meters, 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. It is 100% acrylic. I will probably check out their website for some free patterns about this. And the color is blue jean. Try to get a closer look at the colors. I picked out the blue on purpose because I intend on making a hat for the Hat Not Hate organization, which, if you don't know, it is an anti-bullying campaign. And I need to get going on that because I think the deadline for sending them up is coming up in a couple months. And to tell you about it, oh my God, this is really soft. I like this yarn. Oh, and I forgot to mention that it is a size 3 weight yarn, and probably the hook size for this looks like it's a G hook, which I'll probably use. And there's that OEKO/TEX standard again, which I guess is a good thing. So to tell you about my experience shopping off Instagram, I had bought this on June 12th. And I did get it eventually a few days later, and I did get a notification when it was going to get here. And so pretty much I'd gone through Premier Yarn, so they're probably like a big box type company, but so far the yarns I've gotten for them is pretty solid. So for what I probably paid for this, though, this was $4.99 on their site. I did get it for $1 off, but I think the downside is that the shipping, I expect to pay shipping, but it was like $3.66 for shipping. It's US dollars, and I thought, oh shoot, I am just paying as much in shipping as for the yarn. Now granted, this is all I bought was one ball, so had I gotten like more balls, if I had made a bigger order, the shipping costs, I'm going to assume would have been more realistic and evened out. So yeah, that is a very pretty color. And that's all I have. This is what I got. So probably I'm not sure if I'm going to buy through Instagram again, unless I buy actually more yarns. Or if there's no way, I really like this yarn. If I can't find, I usually buy my yarn through Amazon. So if I can't find this anywhere. See, I have not seen this in Michael's. I'm not sure. I haven't been to Hobby Lobby, so I'm not sure if this is in other places. So I might have to go through Instagram again to find this yarn. And I'll probably get more than one ball. All right, I've been rambling on. So that is all I have. If you did like this yarn video, please give it a like. Tell me what you could potentially do with this yarn. And I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you have not done so and like to see more stuff like this. And I will see you in my next video. Bye now.